everyone, I go by name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm teaching people on how to make money on Clickbank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you. Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes, as an affiliate marketer over the years, I've experienced several issues and most of the problem affiliate marketers are experienced. So, and one of it is that I have had issue with getting traffic to my affiliate platforms. Yes, and one of the things you need to consider, or one of the backbone of a successful affiliate marketer, is that they have a strong backup or a strong traffic system. Traffic system, I mean people and traffic online that are going to be accessing their affiliate products and link for them to get commission and sales on their affiliate platforms. And that is so common because as you all know that there are two methods by which you can get traffic to your affiliate platforms. You have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Yes, as you are familiar with the free traffic system, that it is paying digital platform like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube to create adverts for your product, so that when people are browsing, it pops up and people can have access to them and click them to buy your product. But that is not really efficient because most people, it is only if they are interested in the products that happens. But I have a method. The second method which we use is we have the free traffic system, which involves the use of several things, and where that's where I'm coming, because in this free traffic system I have a software which I've been using for a while now and that's been earning me big and beautiful results like the one you can see on the screen. This is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is earning greatly, as you can see on the screen. So my software works by gathering more than 2,000 organic traffic daily online and promoting your affiliate products and link to this organic traffic for you to get commission. Yes, commission, I mean the percentage which you are going to be getting from the products you are selling. For instance, if a product costs $50, you can be getting a commission of $10. So the more or the higher the price of the product you are selling, the higher your commission, and the more the product you sell, the more your commission also daily. And with my software, you are going to be earning daily, because it works on a daily basis, and it's gathered more than 2,000 organic traffic daily, and there are read and organic traffic which are going to be accessing and buying your product. So to get my software and video course and start earning big like the one you can see on the screen, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward71@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course to start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Because my software is not only applicable to Clickbank alone, but it can be used to earn beautifully well on other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus and the likes. So contact me now to start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. And also there's a room for account management. If you are getting my software and video course and you need me to manage your accounts, there's also room for account management. I have people that work and do that for me here. So to start earning big, and remember also, you don't need to have any previous knowledge on Clickbank or on affiliate marketing before you can start. Using this video, my video will guide you step by step on how to set up your account and how to use my software to earn on any of your affiliate marketing platforms. So contact me now on my Gmail at skyward71@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen now to start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform and earn from the comfort of your home. Once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.